Good morning, students. Today we will study about arithmetic progression, an important chapter in mathematics. So let us see what is given about. Okay, so the chapter is arithmetic progression. Okay, so AP is a very important chapter for exam point of view also and for future prospect also, because in 11th class this chapter is there with GP. So today we will study first what is AP. I will write one sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, I write the sequence. This is in sequence. Okay, so we'll see if it is in AP or not. How to find? First we have to find two things in these. First one is first term. A is given 2. Now we'll find T, common difference. What is common difference? Second minus first term. That is 4 minus 2 if I find here. Okay. So here what is given is second minus first term. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 10 minus 8 is also 2. So finally I got my common difference. If I say that is what is given same. So if you have common difference is same, that is second term minus first term. Okay. Then third term minus second term. Okay. Then fourth term minus third term. Okay. So that is how you find the difference. And if it is same, then we say that a common difference is same, then we can say that this sequence is in AP. Okay. So this is a sequence and it can be up to infinity. Okay. So we can easily now examine and find that this sequence is in AP or not. First thing. Second thing. If I found this in AP, I can write its more terms. How? Further terms also. Because to write this, we need to write first term, A, then A plus D, A plus 2D, okay, A plus 3D, then A plus 4D, A plus 5D, okay, A plus 6D. So that is how we able to find the number of terms in a given sequence. Okay, so this is the most important chapter. We now will discuss its numericals. Okay, one more thing is find the number of n terms. If you find n terms, then there is a formula for this. A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into T. A is the first term, n is the number of terms, and D is the common difference. Okay, so we'll see about we'll try more numericals on this now, so that this chapter will be clear to you. Okay, so let's do it. Now we have one question here, like write the first 4 terms of an AP if first term is given and a common difference is given. So what we will do, we'll try to solve this numerical here. So they have given 8, that is 10. So what will be second term? A plus D. We have 10. So 10 plus 10, 20. Okay. Third term, if we need to write, what will be there? The third term, A plus 2D. So 10 plus 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. Next term will be A plus 3D. So A is 10, 10 plus 3 into 10, 30 plus 10, 40. So that is how we can write more number of terms. Now using this formula. Now we have another example. This is the first one. So first part. Okay. Now let's move to the second one. If A is given minus 1, so next term will be minus half, minus 1 plus half. Okay, A plus D. Third term minus 1 plus A plus 2D. Okay, a plus 2d is there. Now fourth term a plus 3d. Okay, so that is how we can write these terms. So let us try now. Minus 1. Now minus half plus 1 will be minus half, and this is 2 will cancel, so minus 1 plus 2 is 0. Here if I write minus 1 plus 3 by 2, so minus 1 plus 3 by 2. If I take the LCM here, so now I got all my terms. 1 minus half, 0, and this will be minus 2 plus 3 by 2. Here I got minus 1 minus half, 0, 3 minus 2 half. So that is how we can easily find the terms. So by using this formula. Okay. Now we'll move to the next step. We'll try to find the nth term, the formula which I have already written on the board. So the formula is to find the nth term of an AP, then we have to use this formula. N plus A plus N minus 1 into D. A is the first term, N is the number of terms, and D is the common difference. So now we'll apply this formula in the numericals, and let us see how we'll able to solve this. Okay. So now see, I have one problem, right? Find the 10th term of an AP. The AP is given, sequence is given. Now I need to find its 10th term. How will find the 10th term? We have the formula, that is An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here we have A is 2 plus N, we don't have, N is not given, so we'll write this minus 1 into D. D is 7 minus 2, that is 5. So we have this term, we need to find the 10th term. 10th term means we have N, that is 10. So 2 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into 5. So 2 plus 45, we got 47. We got, what value I got? 47. So that is how we can easily find the nth term which is asked. Okay. So it may be first term, second term, third term. By using this formula, we can easily find the number of terms. Okay. So that is what I have given. Here An is the last term and N is the nth term, and is the number of terms I have given. So we'll solve more numericals now. Okay. Now we have another question. They have asked how many 2-digit numbers are there divisible by 3. So first we need to find that sequence, then we need to apply this formula, and we need to find that N. So let us see how we can do it. That is 2-digit number they are asking. So the first 2-digit number which is divisible by 3 is 12. Then 15. Then 18. Till goes the last 2-digit number which will be divided by 3 is 99. Because we all know that after 99 comes 100. So 3-digit number. So but we are asking only 2-digit number. So finally we got a sequence here. Now we'll apply the formula, that is N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into T. What is A here? 12. Okay. So I got the 12, and N I need to find how many 2-digit number they are asking, and the common difference is 3. And the last term now I am getting here 99. Okay. So 99 minus 12 is equal to N minus 1 into 3. So I got here what? That is got 87 by 3 is equal to N minus 1. So now if I try to solve this, I will got 29 plus 1 is equal to 2. So therefore N is equal to 30. So there are 32 digit numbers which are divisible by 3. Okay. So that is how we can apply this formula. Lot of questions are there, okay, which will based on this formula. So we will discuss them one by one. Okay. So now we have one more question regarding this. Which term of the AP is 3, 8, 13, 18, 13, 78? Which term of the AP is 78? So we need to find AM is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So we need to find N here. We have AM, that is 78. A is there 3 plus N we need to find, and D is what? We have 5. Okay. We all know you need to find a common difference. Then we'll find like second minus first term, third minus second term, fourth minus third term, like this. Okay. So now we need to find N. So I got this into 5. So 75 upon 5 is equal to N minus 1. So I got 15. 15 is equal to N minus 1. 15 plus 1 is equal to N. So therefore 16. So if I go on with this writing the sequence, we'll find the 16th term will be the 78. So that is how we try to solve the numerical. Now see, the next question we have, the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So here we need to find the, that is common difference. How will you find? Let us see. They are saying we know the formula of finding the nth term, that is An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. Now we have A17, that is A plus 17 minus 1, 16D. Okay. And A10 will be A plus 10 minus 1, 9D. Now they are saying that 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7. So we can say A plus 16D, we can write here 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7. So I'll write here like this, by 7. And we need to find the common difference. How will you find? See, A plus 16D minus A minus 9D is equal to 7. A plus, so here what will get? You can reduce A. Now what is left? 16 minus 9, that you got 7D. It's equal to 7. So D is equal to 7 upon 7. 1. So we find that common difference we got is 1. Okay? This much. Okay, now we have one more numerical regarding this. How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? So, how will you find the first multiple of 4? The second multiple of 4 will be, the first multiple of 4 which lies between 10 and 250 will be 16. Okay, then after that, no, 16 not. We can take, yeah, first multiple will be 4, 12, then 16, then 20, like this. And the last number below 250 is, which number will be the multiple of 4? If I divide this number by, I think last number will be 248. Okay, so last number will got that 248. Okay, so how many multiples? Really? That means we need to find N. Using that formula, An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is the 248, is equal to A is 12, and we need to find, and the common difference is 4. 16 minus 12 is 4, 20 minus 16 is 4. So now we need to find N. So 248 minus 12, so N minus 1 into 4. So I got 236 by 4 is equal to n minus 1. Now if I divide this number, what I got is 26, 36. So finally I got my answer. That is, I got 60 numbers. I got 60 numbers. I got the multiple of 4 that lies between 10 and 250. Okay, so that is how the question is asked, and we need to sort it out like this. Okay, so now one more problem regarding this. Now find the 20th term from the last term of an AP. Examiner has been asked so many times this question. So this question is very most important. So let us see. Now this sequence is given and they are asking about to find the 20th term to find, but from the last term of an AP. So it means our first term will be A. A will be 253. Then we need to reduce it, like 8 minus 6 is 5. So reduce it 5. So we got 248 and 243 like this. Now here we find the 28th. Now from this sequence we'll try to find the 28th term, that is A20. So A plus 20 minus 1 into D. A is 253 plus 20 minus 19 into what is D? Second term minus first term minus 5. Okay, so I got my answer here 95. Okay, so I got my answer, that is 158. Okay, so that is how we can easily solve such kind of numerical. We have just applied that formula, that is another term A plus n minus 1 into. Okay, so like lot of numericals are also there for solving this type of numerical based on this formula. Okay, so this.